the way I'm thinking is what they want. Is what I'm saying.
Right.
Because my idea is to do the acting and the modeling, so I can, change the world, make new TV shows, like the Sanford and Son and all that Blackish and stuff, and make new TV shows. And that changes culture, and that's what they're talking about there, like the modeling culture, where there's all kinds of stuff. It's like skin, hair care, product culture, consumerism. There's so much into it. But I'm like, yeah, I'm all about that, dude. I want to sell the culture is where you're at. That's not really much else to say to it.
You see, the lion, he roars in the jungle. Sometimes you don't know how loud he's gonna roar. You don't worry either. As long as he does it, you turn, you run, you sprint. You're out of there.
Me and my friend Jerry.
Lion, you're human. A lion, you. No. You've got no chance. It's a lion. It roars. It's got claws. The lion will kill you. You are a puny person. You'll die.
Tired. It's 4 in the morning right now. But, stairway to... Are we gonna take the elevator? I'm not gonna lie, these stairs do suck. If I was fat, I wouldn't fucking take them either. This is a rough one.
I've been here all day with the kids. What are you doing? Why are you yelling? Whoa! Every time I come onto my show, I see these people and they're like, whoa, Jerry, calm down. I'm just trying to keep it real.
It's so cold.
Give me the eyes, fuck me up for a second.
It took you right.
Beat my ass.
It took me out for a second. It was pretty cold.
Take you out?
I mean, it's once you get in there, it's a little deeper, so it's like pushing you down.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it's a little strong.
Wow. Yeah.
You see him go down?
It's so cold, I got like a shock chill a little bit for a second.
It was fun to watch it though, man.
Yeah, I figured it would be.
There's Arizona 100.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, Pat's right though, because one of the points I want to do this modeling acting stuff is like, I'm somebody from New Philly that really couldn't make it, and I'm going to make it, and I'll show everyone else they can make it too. It ain't hard. It ain't hard.
Take you out. Huh?
I broke with my ass, bro.
Fucking hot. I'm sexy. Woo! I've come all the way from Scotland just to talk to you about my family, and you're just going to yell at me. Why are you such a bastard? We've been friends since like 10 years old, man. I swear to God, your mom died, I was there for you. My mom dies, I'm like, fuck yeah, you pussy.
Moments like this.
It's all about angling, dude. It's like it really doesn't fucking matter what you play or not. You got a brain and you know physics, you can play.
Yeah. And then we try to take it to the Indian because, I don't want to talk to you like I am American because I don't want to have the right privilege. If I have the right privilege, I won't have the left privilege. Ha ha ha.
That's pretty much what it is. If without Shakespeare, we wouldn't have acting today. You know what I mean? So that culture started there, and now it is here. So if we came farther and farther, who knows? Maybe one day we could make moon movies, dude. We can make moon movies. Like they filmed Dude on the Moon. Well, maybe we can make an actual moon movie and not have to go to the gravity chamber and fake being in space.
Yeah.
Or we'll put wires on you and you jump. That's what they do. They're trying to all are doing the thing, and it just doesn't work. That's acting though, You're supposed to act like it, not be it for real.
All right, sweet. Thanks for having you guys.